The world's changed quite a bit. We're always on the go, and that's a huge influence on design for us. The products have to be lighter and more durable because they go everywhere. The Pavilion X360 is a reflection of lifestyle. We bring the color from the outside to the inside through digital threads, almost in an oscillating way, so you get this vibrance to the inside. It's a subtle reminder of the exterior color to the interior. This is really media on the go. I want to listen to music, watch my TV shows, my movies, and that means you have to have great audio.
The Pavilion X360s come with what's called HP Audio Boost. It lets you take full advantage of the speakers within.
We now have Bang & Olufsen, or more specifically B&O Play. You get bolder, stronger sounds coming from the X360. With it being a 360, it really is quite versatile. Little micro gears allow the display to roll around the base in one continuous movement. From notebook mode, I can rotate it around to tent mode. It's a perfect cinema.
The new Pavilion X360s have an IPS display. You can look at the display from any angle, whether it's tablet mode or stand mode. It always looks great, and the color is really crisp. It comes with the latest Intel Core processors, so you always get excellent battery life. If you're taking it to class every day, or using it around the house, or even taking it to work, it's great for people who want flexibility, but also want the great level of everyday performance.
When you have that balance between new materials and advanced technologies, the PC is just transformed.